Hi boys and girls and parents, welcome to the myfuture.net registration. So it's pretty simple and self-explanatory, but I will be right here to guide you. I made a video before, but they updated the myfuture.net website. So parents, if you want to sign up using Facebook or your Gmail account, you can do that. But I'm going to walk you through if you don't want to do that. So I'm going to start off using my son's name. Okay. I don't know why it doesn't let me choose the right month. See, I clicked April, but I wanted to click March, so I don't know why it's being like that. It seems like when you press the one ahead of it, it clicks the right one that you want. I don't know, it's weird. I don't know why it's doing that, but so yeah, his birthday really is March 2010. Well, I clicked April and then it showed up as March, so yeah, that's weird, really weird. So it came up with a username for him. Okay, so now I'm gonna come up with a password, and just make sure you write down this username right here. When you're creating it, write down your username and then make sure to keep track of the password also. Okay. Okay. And then next, what I want you to do is click yes, you are a member. Even if you aren't a club member, when you start doing our activities and stuff, you technically are a club member, okay? So click yes here. And then next, what I want you to do is click the state, so New York. Okay. So next, I can get this to go up. Oh, not that far up. Bear with me. So see how there's Akwesasne? If you do Akwesasne, it's going to show Mohawk School Unit. So what I want you to do is hit Hogansburg instead, okay? Because that will show up our main Boys and Girls Club, okay? So make sure to put Hogansburg here and not Akwesasne. And then create account. So see, it showed my username and password. So after you create it, make sure you write this down. It reminds you again what it is. So now go to home page. Okay, so now you can see your little profile. There's contests. There is all kinds of activities for you to do. So I want to pull up a activity just to show you. Create an anti-bullying pledge. So say we want to make an cyberbullying pledge. So just click start. Identify what cyberbullying is and where it happens, and figure out what you can do about it. Okay, so what you need: a computer, internet, whiteboard, pencil and paper. So what is cyberbullying? On a sheet of paper or in a document on the computer, write down examples of cyberbullying. For example, when one person posts a mean picture about another person on Instagram, what else comes to mind? So make a list. Okay, so it's telling you to get a sheet of paper out, okay? So make a list of where cyberbullying happens. Make a list of places you've experienced cyberbullying or seen cyberbullying. Does it look the same in each place? Step 3, what can they do about it? You might think that cyberbullying happens a lot and that you can do anything about it. Nothing could be further from the truth. There are many examples of how people have done something to stop it. People who are not the targets of the bully, but do notice what's going on, have a role to play too. What are some things you can do to stop someone else from being bullied online? So what can you do? So write down ideals of what you could do. You could butt in and say, hey, leave them alone. That's not very nice. You wouldn't like it if someone said that to you, you know. You could say little things like that. As long as you're not adding into the bullying, you know. So now, promise. Now come up with a pledge, which is like a promise. What will you promise to do to keep you, your friends, and others safe from being bullied online? Save to My Future. Upload an image of your pledge to My Future and share it to others. So when you complete an assignment, what you can do is take a picture. So I think at the top of here had a picture. So see right here how they put Boys and Girls Club Anti-Cyberbullying Pledge. I agree to. So you can make like a little poster and upload it. So, oh yeah, look at, there's a big button right on the side here. So you can click here. You could pick you could record a video, you can record audio, you can upload a picture. Okay? What else is there? Oh, and a web link. Okay, so yeah, so you can do these projects right on here and upload it. And then I want to see what we could, I just want to I want to do an example. Select. So I'm just clicking a random thing because I just want to do an example. Tell us more about your project. That's optional, it says. Okay, preview, publish project. So I'm just doing this as an example so that you can see how to submit your assignment. So look, once you finish it, upload it, you can get 25 points. And then once you're done uploading, then you press I'm done. Your staff has been notified. Follow up with them. So every assignment that you complete, it will get sent to either myself or I believe Gilbert, and it may get uploaded to Chanel. Yeah, it will get uploaded to us when we log on, and we can check your progress. And that will be an awesome way for us to keep track of your projects and yeah, all your completed projects. And weekly, you'll be able to get a chance to get a weekly incentive if you complete these little assignments. Okay, so staff has been notified. So I will sign on to the staff page, and then I will have to approve your account. And then whenever you finish this, like your little projects, then I approve those too. And then you'll see that you got 25 points or however many points that you got for that project. Okay. So I hope you got a little idea. I figured I would do a little example. So my profile, my projects, my badges, my skills, points. So when you get on, you can just explore all of this and see which one you would like to do. And so I hope you have a good idea on how to do it. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always call the club, ask for Lacey, Chanel, or Gilbert. But at this moment, you can contact me, and this is Ms.Lacey, and I can help you the best I can. All right. So thank you everybody for joining my tutorial for myfuture.net registration and a project tutorial also. Thank you. Bye guys. Have a good day.